Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, I am here with the review of the expert advisor. So first of all guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. So guys, as you can see that I have also already provided in my previous videos that I am using an expert advisor that is working very powerfully at my end. This is the expert advisor that is already attached on my chart, you can see here. Okay guys, I am using it and testing it in a different way. So first of all, this is the real account. You can see this is Exynos real 11 server. It's not a demo account. I am testing it both on a demo as well as on the real account, and I will show you the different results of this EA. So guys, let's move towards the account history. This is my balance till now, and let's move towards the account history first of all. Okay guys, now you can see today we have seen the range of profits. Now you can see that on Euro USD, I am here on a Euro USD chart. You can see it has taken maximum sell positions today. I am testing it in a different way, but right now with the settings that is recommended 0.30, it has taken several sell positions here, and you can see we have a big drop on Euro USD. I am going to take you towards the naked chart so that you can see, as per my trading system also, the market got a drop from the top red boundary, but overall I'm going to explain this thing as per the expert advisor, that how it has taken a series of sell trades. Okay, now let's move back. I have tested it in a various way. Now you can see most of the time it has opened these sell positions. Okay, going back, and you can see that's a sell position with a 2 lot size. Okay guys, now you can see a question that why it is with a 2 lot size, because I am testing it with different settings, so that's why I'm using it. So that's why I'm talking about this. I'm also adding some strategies manual, also testing the manual strategies including this, but overall most of the trading done on this is with the expert advisor, and you can see it is manually closing. It is automatically closing the trades itself. Now going back on the 16th of January, you can see the series of profits here, going back and going back more further. Until now you can see some losses also occur here, but later on these were recovered, and going 16 back. But overall, if you look at the complete data, okay, that belongs to 15. So overall, if you look at the complete data, then we are overall in profits, and the profit till now is at 4005. So this is the profit that is taken on a real account, and you can see I'm using this expert advisor in a very fine manner. So overall guys, I'm testing it with various lot size also, but overall now I'm going to take you towards the mini account the results on here. Okay guys, first of all, now look at here today what it has done. So let me first of all, this is the mini account. The previous was the standard account. Now look at here. The profit that I have provided you in the previous video was lesser than it. I think it was at $59, but right now if you look at here, the profit has reached to 285 till now, and you can see that 6.73, 6.73, $31. Now look, selling positions are taken on Euro USD. So basically this board works on Euro USD and on Euro Canadian dollar. You can see a mixture of trades between these two. Okay, now you can see this trade is taken by the bot on sell position on Euro Canadian dollar. So what I have done today, so guys, I have changed the lot size. Basically what I have tested it with 0.30. So I have set up the minimum lot size to 0.30 and the highest lot size to 1 lot size, and you can see how consistent it is giving you beautiful results. And this is all trading done that is belong to today, and you can see we have seen the massive drop on Euro USD today, and this drop is already caught by this pair. And you can see this is the today's date, 16th of January 2020, and it has earned on Euro Canadian dollar $61. And you can see that data belongs to 15th of January. But overall, if you look at the results are pretty fine. So previously we were doing trading with 0.01 lot size. I have reviewed the previous video with 0.01 lot size, but now I was testing, you know that I'm still testing this EA, so that's why I advised that You should also test it by different ways, like I am testing it. So I have increased the loss side to 0.30 and it's working pretty fine, and 285 is the result on the screen. You can see that this EA is working very perfectly. Okay guys, moreover on the live account I have also shown you that 4005 is the profit on the live account. So guys, this EA is very powerful bot. It automatically closes your trades, and if once your trades come into profit, if you like that you want to close the trade at any type of profit, then you can also automatically close your trade with no problem. So guys, this is what I have given the review about this EA. This is the best expert advisor in the market in my opinion, with the high win rate and with the low drawdown. But overall, you know that we do not provide any kind of guarantees in the forex market, and I sell this EA without providing any kind of guarantees. But I have shown you the results. The results are quite reliable and powerful, and definitely those subscribers who have also taken this EA from me, they must be in profits today. Okay guys, if you are looking to get this for expert advisor, if you want to get the trading system, I'm talking about this trading system that is attached on my chart. Like for example, when the market comes into the top red boundary, then it receives the rejection and look, the market is down. So if you are looking to get this trading system, if you want to get my signal service, for example, this was my report for signal service, and look, I have provided the Euro USD bearish trend in my signals report. So if you are interested in subscribing to the signals report, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report, how I manually come to know in the morning that today Euro USD is going to be bearish or bullish, whatever, on a certain pairs, then I teach this trick for $700. So if you want to learn anything, or you want to get the expert advisor, then you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead. Bye.